Hi guys, Diwali Mubarak, Saal Mubarak, and I hope the new Samvat brings in more and more riches for all of us. Well, actually, before I talk about that, let me quickly tell my family. I'm sitting here with them. It's Diwali, and let me quickly tell them to wish you all the best for the new Samvat as well. My dad, mom, my sister out here. Guys, quickly wish people.
Wish you a very happy Diwali and
very happy New Year, and may the new Samvat bring crazy days.
Mom, very quickly.
Happy New Year for everybody.
Okay, thanks mom, thanks dad, thanks Bina. Well, the key is we are all hoping for a great time in the new Samvat. The point is, will it happen and will we be able to take advantage of it? Now, the Samvat, the Muhurat trading session that went by, I'm just resting my phone out here against some ornaments. So the question is the Muhurat trading session that gone by and the Samvat gone by teach us something about what could come ahead? Now, I'm not going to get preachy out here, but let's look at the Muhurat trading session. It did what it usually does, despite the fact that there's so many retail accounts, etc. We ended about 0.2% higher after actually moving up about 0.4, 0.5% during the course of the day, right? So that's typically what happens in the Muhurat trading session. The Samvat did what it did as best. The Samvat gone by, the COVID impacted Samvat, did exactly what it did best, or what market do best. At the point of extreme pessimism, the market actually bottomed out and started making its way up. And for everybody who thought that, oh, it's doomsday scenario and is the world coming to an end? No, it didn't. The markets rallied back and eclipsed the earlier highs and tagged new highs. So both emotions of greed and fear played out. I mean, you look at the gainers, right? You have pharma companies, you have IT companies, but you also have a metal company out there. JSW Steel is amongst the top 10 gainers from last Samvat to this Samvat. So it's been a learning experience, really. This Samvat has been a bigger learning experience than anything, and more than listening into anybody else. I mean, listening into us who speak about the markets, all us market anchors across various media platforms, or all the experts who come in. I think the biggest learning came in from Mr. Market. If you just observe the behavior of Mr. Market, I think it taught us a lot. And that is what all of us have to focus on. Be patient, invest at points of extreme pessimism. When there is extreme optimism, maybe, just maybe, try and take some chips off the table. And during good days, celebrate. So I won't take too long. I would just wish all of you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. And after ending this video, I'll do what I do best, which is start eating. Here's what we will like to do as the day closes. This is a typical good Jew household, and we'll have all the chora falis and the pani puris and bhajiyas as the day winds down. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Wishing you all a safe and a happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year.